Hello, friends. I'm Pragya Goswami from Mumbai. I'm a jewelry entrepreneur, a gemologist, and a self mastery coach. So, to be very precise, I think we all in our lives, in our lifetime, whichever uh, juncture of life we are in, we always have gone through some kind of loss or some kind of mishap in our lives where you could have lost your loved ones, or you could have lost your job, or something related to finance, personal, professional, any kind of a thing which pertains to any area of your life. And with my own life's 38 years of my challenging life's journey, I can vouch for it that gratitude, attitude of gratitude, is something which can help you, which can accelerate you to get out of that loss trauma or that loss set of mind, and to going and achieving your goals, or getting accelerated towards your achievements or goals of your life. So, for example, I would like to share my own story. Uh, like 5 years back, 4 years back, I went through a divorce, and it was like the world had stopped for me. I had, as if I can't tell you, it was something like I loved him so much, but things didn't work out, and it's something which I that time, that moment was something I can say that I was only into trauma. And then this concept of gratitude came in my life the moment I started sending the vibrations of thank you, and thank you universe, thanking the universe, the god, the almighty, whomsoever you pray to, the thank you for for the whole event which happened in my life. After that, the kind of transformations I went through, I could I became the best version of myself every day. I started a lot of things. My coaching business started only after that. I got an amazing man in my life now, who came as a support system, as a life support system, I can say. And this only could happen after I thanked the other person who went from my life. The loss of uh, a husband due to divorce, that was something which I never have imagined in my life, in my dreams also, wildest of dreams. And uh, thinking of a new life with a new person would be even out of question. So it's something which the doors of God opens those doors, universe opens those doors for you. Once you start vibrating, you start vibrating in that positive energy, and you start vibrating in the attitude of gratitude, the whole energy vibrations around you change into positivity, and you start attracting positivity in your life. So that's what my journey was, and still it's going on. It's amazing, beautiful. With the with inculcating this attitude of gratitude, we can actually erase a lot of negativity from our life, and new things, new possibilities, new ventures can come in. So I write gratitude journal. It's a habit to write 10 things or 20 things in a day. You write in a journal, you maintain that journal, even if it could be water, air, your coffee, the the food you are eating, the house you are living. It could be very small things, the kid. So if you maintain that, the within 21 days you can see the changes in your life. So that was it. That's what my journey was. So thank you so much. For more, if you guys want to know more about it, you can connect with me, or you can search in the Google. It's all there. So thank you so much. Have an attitude of gratitude in life, and enjoy the life to the fullest. Take care. Bye bye.